we present SMIRK, a method for faithful reconstruction of expressive 3D faces. Given an image of an expressive face, SMIRK is able to reconstruct the 3D face mesh geometry with faithfulness on the facial expression. SMIRK is able to capture subtle, extreme, and asymmetric expressions which previous methods are not able to detect. Here we show example images from 4 previous state-of-the-art methods on 3D reconstruction and SMIRK. Typically, 3D reconstruction methods use differentiable graphics-based rendering for self-supervision. This results in a domain gap in the reconstruction losses and requires additional predictions such as lighting and albedo. SMIRK replaces this rendering with a neural image-to-image translator, which, given the mesh shape geometry and sparsely sampled pixels of the input image, generates a face image. Using this approach, the translator is forced to rely on the geometry of the rendered mesh for recreating the input, and image reconstruction losses can be applied without domain gap concerns. Secondly, traditional methods are also bound by the lack of expression diversity in training data. SMIRK tackles this by introducing the augmented expression cycle consistency path. Starting from the initial image and the prediction of our encoder, we perform expression manipulation in the predicted 3DMM parameters, generate a new mesh face geometry, and then concatenate it with the masked image again in order to generate a photorealistically augmented image using the image-to-image translator. This path has now provided us with a photorealistic image and the corresponding pseudo-ground truth 3D face geometry. Next, we can apply the SMIRK encoder in the reconstructed image and use the 3DMM parameter cycle loss for additional supervision. In order to perform the expression manipulation, we apply one of the following. First, random perturbation of expression parameters. Second, permutation of expressions in the batch. Third, fixed expression template injection using pre-computed expression templates. And finally, zeroing out the expressions. In order to evaluate the perception of our 3D face reconstruction method, we carried out a perceptual study with human participants. In the study, users were shown a photorealistic human face alongside the results of 2 3D face reconstruction methods and were asked to choose the one with the most faithful facial expression representation. A total of 85 different users completed the study and evaluated SMIRK and 4 other state-of-the-art methods, resulting in a total of 680 comparison per method pair. As we can see from the table, SMIRK was overwhelmingly preferred by the users and achieves the new state-of-the-art performance on accurate expression reconstruction. Finally, we present more qualitative results and comparisons between SMIRK and the previous best 3D reconstruction methods. Both images and videos follow.
Grandmother outgrew her upbringing in petticoats.
That noise problem grows more annoying each day.
She sprang up and went swiftly to the bedroom.
The diagnosis was discouraging. However, he was not overly worried.
You know how much I sacrificed?
Oh my, get in there. Can we see that? Can we, do you mind, just for that camera right there.
One?
The
Number
3.
three.
Yeah, there we go.